Imagine our planet as a vast cosmos. Each language is a star, blazing with stories, knowledge, and culture. These stars communicate across time and space. They connect us to our ancestors. They illuminate the human experience in all its diversity. Now, imagine some of these stars dimming, their light fading from the universe. This is the reality faced by many indigenous languages today. Indigenous languages are disappearing at an alarming rate. Colonization, forced assimilation, and the dominance of global languages have silenced many voices. When a language fades, we lose a unique perspective on the world. We lose ancient wisdom, intricate cultural knowledge, and a vital part of human heritage. But there is hope. Technology, like a telescope reaching for distant stars, can help us reclaim what is being lost. Synthetic data offers a powerful tool for breathing life back into endangered languages. Think of it as a language laboratory. We can use existing language data, however fragmented, to generate vast amounts of new data. This synthetic data can include text, speech, and even translations. This process can help us fill in the gaps in documentation and create resources where none existed before. Imagine indigenous children learning their ancestral language through engaging apps and games. Picture elders sharing their stories, automatically translated and transcribed for future generations. Synthetic data can power these tools, making language learning accessible and fun. It can also fuel the development of digital assistants and language preservation software, ensuring that these languages are spoken and heard in the digital age. However, language is more than just words and grammar. It's about cultural context, emotional nuance, and the very soul of a people. Capturing these intangible elements with synthetic data is a significant challenge. We must be cautious not to reduce these rich languages to mere data points. The human element, the spirit of the language, must be preserved. The use of synthetic data in this context also raises ethical considerations. Who owns this data? How do we ensure authenticity? How do we prevent misuse? These are not merely technical questions. They are questions of respect, trust, and collaboration. One solution lies in blockchain technology. Imagine a secure, transparent ledger where all authentic indigenous language data is stored and managed collaboratively. This technology can empower communities to control their own linguistic heritage, while ensuring the integrity of the data used to create synthetic counterparts. The journey to revitalize indigenous languages requires a collaborative effort. We need linguists who understand the intricacies of these languages. We need computer scientists and AI experts who can develop the tools. Most importantly, we need the active participation and guidance of indigenous communities, the keepers of this irreplaceable knowledge. Imagine a future where technology and tradition coexist, where the whispers of endangered languages are amplified, where children grow up speaking the languages of their ancestors, both ancient and modern. By embracing both the power of technology and the wisdom of indigenous communities, we can create a future where the symphony of human language continues to resonate rich and vibrant for generations to come.